Hi everyone, welcome to the Flooring Corner here at Georgia Carpet. If you're new here, my name is Klarice.
And I'm Johnny.
And in today's video, we're doing a product review on a luxury vinyl tile product from Mannington. This is their AduraMax Trellis product. And it has an Art Deco visual, which is either a floral design or a floral design pattern. It was originated in France and was very popular in the 20s and 30s.
Yeah, beautiful product. Yeah, so let's compare these. Let's talk about some similarities with this product. I put this up to here. You can notice this is actually porcelain tile right here, and that's what, 8x8s, I guess. It's got the same look. This is a lot cheaper as far as price is concerned. This is going to cost you about $8, $9, $10 a square foot, where this one ranges in between $3 and $4 a square foot. Very similar in color and design. The advantages to both of these products is they're both waterproof, they're both kid and pet friendly, both easy to clean, fade and scratch resistant, and definitely hard to dent when you drop something on top of these, so very similar products.
Okay, now let's talk about specs on the LVT product. It comes in a 16-inch by 48-inch panel, has a total thickness of 8 millimeters. It is easy to install because it is a floating floor. It has a lifetime warranty. It is also stain-proof, groutless, and comes with an attached pad.
Perfect. Yeah, so in conclusion, what's the difference between these two products and what should be important to you is the installation process. Now, if you don't know much about tile, you've never installed tile, and you go to have tile installed in your house, you're going to be paying a lot of money for an installer. You're going to be paying for backer board, you're going to be paying for grout, you're going to be paying for mortar. The time it takes to install all that and come back a couple of days later, install the grout, very, very, very time consuming, very, very, very costly. Whereas the Mannington AduraMax, the trellis here, it is a locking floor. So it just locks together. You can go, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you like to do things yourself, you can put this down pretty easy. If you want to pay somebody to do it, the cost will be extremely less than doing tile. I'd say probably 70% less than doing tile.
Significant amount.
Yeah, it's a significant difference.
Yep, and also if you would like any free samples of the LVT product, you can reach out to us by phone or email, or even come into our store and ask for your free samples. And also if you need pricing, you can always contact us for that, and visit us at georgiacarpet.com for any information regarding Mannington Trellis.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our video, checking us out from here. Like us, subscribe, share us, do whatever it takes.
Find us on social media at Georgia Carpet on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. And if there's anything specific you would like us to talk about, shoot, test, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.